This is Danica the day after her birthday. Actually, technically, I guess it's 2 days because it's 12/12.
Look at Mama.
We're still awake at 12 minutes after midnight because Danica's wild. She just ate her whole entire dinner while she held on to her balloons. Do you want to show people how you eat with your balloons? Here. Have a little piece of tortilla with cream cheese. See? Watch everybody. She will eat while holding the balloon. Put it in your mouth. Oh, good girl. And her and Daddy have been playing Stinky Feet game. Do you want to show people?
No.
Are you sure? Real quick.
Sure.
We'll have to do Stinky Feet on video tomorrow. Danica's very happy. She's been hanging out with her Oma Diana and Opa Harry and her Auntie Cher and Uncle Tracy and cousins Taylor and Trevor. She's been having a good day. She's got those big white eyes. Hello. Want to say hi? Hi. 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 Oh, hi. Hi. She's eating, obviously. Hi. Okay, that's probably enough. Bye.